Dali.
Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go along the way. You get by with a smile. Look at me, but everything that you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry. There's no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. They're closing on the door that I want you anymore. It's not funny, but I say you anyway. Girl, I stand through the bad times, even if I had to face you every day. I get by with a smile. We can never be too happy in this life, but in the world where everybody is a happy ending story. Someone to love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down. Turn your face into brick brown. Keep along in a little prayer and this song. Lift your head.
Mana yan sa akin?
Baby, don't be scared. The things that could go wrong along the way.
Along the way,
I get by
I'll get by
with a smile.
with a smile.
Now it's time to kiss away the tears goodbye. Let me hear you singing. It's in the world where everybody is a happy ending story. Someone to love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down. Turn your face into bright frown. Keep along in a little prayer and this song. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared. Things that could go along the way.
Buka. Dali, buka.
Get by with a smile. Tapos na kanta. Let me hear you sing, girl. Nabuli na ako eh. Let me hear you singing. Ano ba matatapos pa yan? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Nag-aaliw sa usok at biglang ang kasama. Mas okay pang laging ganito. Nalilimutan ka. Break it down. Di ko malaman sa'yo kung ano ang trauma mo. Bakit lagi mo na lang sinasaktan ang puso ko? bigla mo lang akong sinampa. At sa selos mo nga'y lalong minahal kita.
Ako rin.
Subalit nasaan ka na, sumama sa iba. Bakit ba iwan mo nag-isa? Bakit ba sa akin ba'y nagsawa na? Sinusunod naman kita, kahit ano kinakaya, wala pa rin kwenta. Bakit ba?
Tapos si David sa nag-hatek sa iba. Nag-hatek sa iba. Hindi mo pinatawagan isa.
Ano ba ang nakita mo at pinagpalit mo ko?
Wala naman.
Nagkasisiguro ka ba ngayon sa bago mo?
Siyempre.
Sana ay mahalin ka niya at huwag kang sasaktan.
Obvious ba?
Kahit di na tayo, problema mo'y sabihin lang.
Salamat.
Pilit ka maglimutin ay naghihintay pa rin.
Ganon?
Nagbabaka sakali na huli kang dumating.
Asa ka ba?
Bakit ba kahirap ng kalagayan ko ngayon?
Hello?
Hello.
Kaya't sa
Binabaan
aking
ka na.
sarili ay laging nagtatanong.
Still there?
Bakit ba iwan mo nag-isa?
Kasi naman.
Bakit ba sa akin ba nagsawa na? Sinusunod naman kita, kahit ano kinakaya. Bakit ba?
Eh, ikaw na may bokong na tumingin.
Nakatinig ko. Sa makatingin.
Ang sama eh.
Bakit ba? Bruha! Nagsawa na.
Mas maaga ka pa sa akin. Hello?
Kita
Hello?
kahit ano
You there?
kinakaya, wala pa rin.
Mas bruha ka.
Baba na kita!
Ay, baboy. Bakla, alert.
Iwan mo nag-iisa.
My God.
Bakit ba sa akin ba'y nagsawa na?
Tagal na.
Sinusunod naman kita,
Boss?
kahit ano kinakaya.
Talaga lang ha?
Wala pa rin kwenta. Chupa.
Chumu pa dapat yun. Chumu.